What are we doing, guys?
Cutting deer meat.
Cutting deer meat? Where'd the deer come from?
From the ranch.
From the ranch? Okay, who shot these deer?
You and John.
Me and John, okay.
But a piece fell on the floor.
That's okay.
That's
So,
okay.
what are the rules to cutting?
Be careful and don't cut yourself. Don't
Right.
cut our head off.
Don't cut your head off. Yeah, that's a good rule.
And
Be
don't-
careful and don't cut yourself.
And
Yeah,
don't cut your finger off.
right. Are those knives sharp?
Yes. Yeah.
How sharp are they?
This one's a knife you made.
It is. How sharp are they?
This sharp.
Human sharp?
This is so sharp.
Yeah.
It could even cut my head off.
Yeah, they're like grown-up sharp, aren't they?
Yeah, like they could even cut our skin off.
They sure
Even
could.
they could kill us.
All right. Well, thanks for helping, okay?
Okay.